Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are looking at the Royal Navy Commonwealth Recruitment 2025. I'm going to be taking you through the website. We check a little bit of the requirements, what positions they have, and then I'll leave the link on the description box of this video so that you can click on it, try and see if you can apply for some of these positions. Application is free, so there's no harm in trying. So guys, all you need to do is to go on your search engine, whatever you're using, and type Royal Navy Commonwealth Recruitment or 2025, and you see this the first link. So we're gonna click on it, and this is their website. Okay, so as you can see, this is where you see the career and joining options for Commonwealth and non-British. So it's specifically for those who are not British or who are not in UK and Commonwealth country, and Kenya is one of them. So that's our business. So you can go through this website, and as you can see, they say a limited number of recruits can be taken from Commonwealth every year. This means that throughout the year, different branches may be closed to all potential candidates. If you're interested in joining then please start an application, and it will be responded appropriately. So if you're interested, start your application. So when you go down here, you can see this is where they talk about managing expectation. I will expect you guys to go through them and see. And then there's here, you need to read about the requirements. So you need to be 18 years and above. So that's a good one. And then no candidate from outside UK should travel to UK unless directed by the overseas team. In order to conduct essential element and recruiting process prior to being assessed as eligible to join the Royal Navy or Royal Marines, any person who travels to UK without the direction will not be responsibility of or supported by the Ministry of Defence. Okay, so read through and understand. So this is where they ask registering as a medical professional. If you wish to register and apply as a medical officer or nurse, the General Medical Council of Nursing Medical Council will need to ensure that your qualification is acceptable in the United Kingdom. Applying to be a medical, so you can read here, and nurse if that's what you want to find more information about that specific positions, their requirements, and if you qualify to practice in UK. There's also where people want to bring their families. I went through this, and you need to have a lot of money to bring your family with you, but it's possible. And so there's here the minimum income requirement. So if you want to bring your family in UK, you'll need to meet the minimum income requirement, which vary based on the family circumstances. So you can go through that and see. And then there's once you meet the minimum income requirement, you'll also need to pay for appropriate visa cost. Actually, UK visas are expensive, but I feel like at the moment you get an opportunity, that is always like the second thing that you have to look for at. But this particular moment, what we are looking at is you getting that opportunity. So here they have the available roles. We have limited roles for Commonwealth applicants available in both the Royal Navy and Royal Marines. So there's an option of checking what is available, and we are going to click here in a minute, and then they see what countries and territories are accepted as Commonwealth. So you can come here and see if your country is listed. Okay, so it's easy to tell if you're part of it. Okay, so this is the website, but let's come here. Before, actually down here there is an option of apply now or start my application, but before we get to that, let's see what is available. There's the Royal Navy. View the Royal Navy, and let's see what they have. Right, let's click on that and see. So they've said they have like 54 resorts. So these are the positions and the salaries and everything. There's catering services, the biomedical scientists, catering support trainee. So these are the jobs that are there. Dental nurse. So there's quite a number of positions, and most of them are skilled. They're skilled position. They need someone who is skilled. Okay, like you've gone to school. And staff, there's logistic officer, there's marine engineer officer. So there are all these positions available for you guys to apply, and there's no problem with you trying. Okay, there's no harm in you trying to see if you can qualify for all this. So depending on what you want to apply for or what you qualify for, not sure what you qualify for, if you see something that you qualify for and you're interested in, you can go ahead and start your application. So as you can see, you've seen there are quite a number, and then there's Loyal Marines. Let's see what they have for Commonwealth. They have 7 resorts. So as you can see, this is what they have for that. I see musicians there, Loyal Marines, and other lungs. So if for example, if you want to know more about each position, you just need to click on this. For example, click on it, this arrow, you will come here, and then you will see what they have, like all the details about the position, what you'll be doing and all that, and you can register your interest. But as I've told you, you can always go back. There's an arrow down there on this website where you can click, and you can start your application by registering yourself. I know most people. I know so many people want to travel abroad for greener pastures, and all I can tell you, it's all the efforts that you put, because these jobs are not like agency jobs where the job is there, you just need like to pay money, and then all of a sudden you have a job and stuff. For these specific ones, you need to come here to the website, apply. If you get shortlisted, well and good, because they say they have limited numbers of positions available for Commonwealth countries in each year. So it's all your luck, and there's no problem with you trying. As I've told you guys, it's good to try and see where you fall. And then there's something that caught my eyes. They say during the recruitment process, the Royal Navy will not provide you with accommodation whilst you're in UK. You'll need to have family or sponsor willing to support you. So it's just like the other one. Okay, so what you just need to do is you need to have a sponsor. Like, you need to find someone who can host you before you travel. Like, by the time you're doing this application, you need to find someone. And again, you have to be very careful, because so there's this lady who applied for this position last year, and then they got selected. Initially they had someone who had promised to host them, but immediately they were selected, they tried reaching out to this person, and the person was nowhere to answer or respond to her messages. So you have to be very careful. Try to find someone who will not ditch you in the process. Try to find someone who genuinely want to host you, even if it's at a cost, because there are some people who are willing to host you at a cost and so forth. But I don't know anyone who can host you, so guys, don't come to me asking me if I know someone who can host you in UK. I have no one. But I will always recommend you can try to search on Facebook page where like they have people living in UK and stuff. So guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope when you submit your application, you're going to be shortlisted and find your way up there. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friend, and don't forget to put your bell icon on so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. So guys, thank you. See you in our next one.